What causes Pandas' memory limitations on big datasets? Imagine trying to carry a huge pile of books all at once. If your arms are not strong enough, you drop some or can't carry it at all. That's similar to what happens with Pandas when working with large datasets. Pandas is a popular library for data manipulation in Python, but it has some limits. When datasets get very big, Pandas can run into memory problems. The main reason is that Pandas loads all data into your computer's RAM. If the dataset is bigger than your available memory, Pandas can't handle it. Think about how much memory you need. For Pandas to work smoothly, you generally want 5 to 10 times the size of your dataset available as RAM. So if your dataset is 10 gigabytes, you should have at least 50 to 120 gigabytes of RAM. That's a lot, and most personal computers don't have that much. Also, Pandas relies heavily on NumPy arrays and Python objects. These structures take up more space than the raw data on disk. For example, a 5 gigabyte file stored on your hard drive might take up 20 gigabytes or more in memory once Pandas loads it. Pandas is designed for in-memory analysis, which means it needs to have all data in RAM before it can process it. This works well for small datasets but becomes a problem with larger ones. When Pandas performs operations like filtering or merging data, it often creates temporary copies of the data. These copies use even more memory. So even if your original dataset is smaller than your RAM, these intermediate steps can cause memory errors. To work around this, many data scientists use techniques like chunking, which means breaking the data into smaller parts and processing each one separately. Sampling is another method, where only a subset of data is analyzed at a time. These strategies help Pandas handle bigger datasets without crashing. In the world of AI and data science, managing large datasets efficiently is essential. While Pandas is great for many tasks, it isn't ideal for very large data. Combining Pandas with other tools that support distributed processing or parallel computing allows developers to analyze data beyond the limits of a single machine's memory. When working with big data, it is also important to think about the ethical side. Handling large datasets responsibly involves protecting privacy and ensuring data security. Using efficient processing techniques not only saves time and resources, but also reduces the environmental impact of heavy computing. So, understanding Pandas' memory limitations helps you plan better and choose the right tools for your data projects.